Hi, Shara. These are the questions for the Chapter 6 Mastery Quiz. Question 1 says, write the percent as a decimal, and the percentage is 8.8%. Question 2 says, a gold and diamond bracelet sells for $1,200. Find the sales tax and the total price if the sales tax rate is 3.5%. Question 3 says, find the amount of discount and the sale price. So there's a table that says the original price is $134.50. The discount rate is 10%. So then you need to find the amount of the discount and then find the sale price. Question number 4 says complete the table, and so this is a commission kind of situation here. So it says we have sales of $359,600 with a commission rate of 5%. And the objective there is to find the amount of commission. Question number 5 says, what percent of 25 is 70? Question number 6 says, translate the question into an equation. Do not solve. And it says let x be the unknown number, and the question that we're trying to translate here is what percent of 90 is 3.3? And so you're just looking for the equation in that one, you're not looking to solve the equation. The next question says, question number 7 says solve the proportion. The proportion is x minus 3 all divided by x equals 5/8. Question number 8 says a car manufacturer announced that next year the price of a certain model car would increase by 3.5%. This year the price is $17,061. Find the increase and the new price. Question number 9 says, translate the question into a proportion. Do not solve. And says use the letter A if the unknown is the amount, the letter B if the unknown is the base, and P if the unknown is the percent. And so the question we're trying to translate here is 38% of 65 is what number? Question number 10 says a company borrows $67,000 for 7 years at a simple interest rate of 14.5%. Find the interest paid on the loan and the total amount paid. Question number 11 says write the decimal as a percent, and the decimal is 0.1. Question 12 says write the ratio in fraction notation in lowest terms, and the ratio says 2 nickels to $3. The question number 13 says a furniture company currently produces 8,200 chairs per month. If production decreases 7%, find the amount of the decrease and the new number of chairs produced each month. Question number 14 says translate the question to a proportion. Do not solve. Use the letter A if the unknown is the amount, the letter B if the unknown is the base, and P if the unknown is the percent. And the question we're translating here is, what number is 42% of 131? Question number 15 says, write the ratio in fraction notation in lowest terms, and the ratio is 131 minutes to 4 hours. Question number 16 says a cell phone cost $363, a battery charger costs $10, and the batteries cost $3. What is the sales tax and total price for purchasing these items if the sales tax rate is 6%? Question number 17 says, how much commission will Jack make on the sale of a $121,900 house if he receives 4.3% of the selling price? Question 18 says, write the percent as a decimal and a fraction. So people take a certain medication for a variety of reasons. The most common use is to prevent heart disease, accounting for 40% of the medication's use. So we want to write 40% as a decimal and then write 40% as a fraction. The context there is pointless. Question number 19 says a basketball player made 66 out of 100 attempted free throws. What percent of free throws was made? 140% of what number is 259? So that's question number 20. 140% of what number is 259? Question 21, a $900 fax machine is on sale for 40% off. Find the amount of the discount and the sale price. Question number 22, what percent of 60 is 75? Question number 23. The number of cable TV systems recently decreased from 14,200 to 14,015. Find the percent decrease. Question number 24. It says change the quantity to the indicated unit. So it gives us a quantity of 9,377 grams. And we want to convert that to kilograms. Okay, so that is the quiz for chapter 6, and I will get you the quiz for chapter 10 shortly, and I'll make the video for the midterm today as well.